Hi and welcome back to another quick guide. Today, I'll teach you how to create an alternate email address. Creating an alternate email address is useful for account recovery, backups, or separating personal and work messages. You can either add an alias to your existing account or create a completely new email. To begin, turn on your Windows PC and connect to the internet. Then open a web browser like Chrome or Edge. Go to the Gmail website or just click the Gmail name in the top right to go there directly. Then click Create Account. Click Choose for myself or another option if needed. Enter your first and last name. Click Next once you provide your name. Here, provide your birth date and your gender and click the Next button. Choose a new email address like username. Click Next. Create a strong password. Confirm the password. Click Next. Here, we need our mobile phone to scan the QR code displayed on your screen. Now, using our mobile phone, let us scan the QR displayed. Once we scan, tap the link on the bottom corner. Here, verify your phone number by tapping Verify for verification. And now we have to return to our PC. Add a recovery email. You can use your main email here. And click Next. Here, click Next again. Review Google's privacy and terms. Scroll down, then click I agree. Once completed, your alternate email address is ready to use. Tip: you can switch between multiple Gmail accounts easily by clicking your profile icon and selecting Add another account. That's all for now, folks. Thank you for watching.